This is pretty quick, so let's just do a little video on this. I'm just going to put all the rivet nuts in. Super easy. I'm one short. That didn't look too good. It'll hold. Alright. So, all those are in there. Let's put the door on. Door panel. Looks fantastic. Alright. I got these panels from ScottRod. I bought them. I paid for them. I'm doing it. Nothing's free. Alright. Set back up. Let's loosen this one up. See, metal's already playing games, only on the second screw. I'm not going to force that one. Oh yeah. Tell you what. I'm not going to tighten all these up. I'm going to leave them loose till I get all of them in. I just have a feeling it's going to buckle on me a little bit. So let's find out. Let's get all these in there. Alright, that's enough. I'm going to go the other side over here and get one of them in. See how that feels. Oh yeah. That feels so good. Can I say that on YouTube? Alright, just a little bit on each one. Almost done. Looking good, looking good. Metal feels good, it's not buckling or anything. That was a good plan, doing those top ones first and holding it in place. Going much smoother than the last one did. Man, just like it was made for it. Thank you, ScottRod. This just fits so well. Look at that. Look at that. It's just too easy. It's too easy. That, back off of that, all this. Little slack right there. I need another washer. Okay. these rivet nuts hold pretty good. I'm putting a lot of torque on here. I mean, you could spin them if you wanted to, but they're just door panels. All right. That was easy. Mission accomplished. Looks good. There it is. ScottRod door panels for your fox body Mustang. Woo! Peace.